Reading Unit 8, Lesson 2. I can write down all I know about a topic and then confirm or discard my prior knowledge as I gather research. So you need to open up your reader's notebook to our RAN chart, which we've used many times this school year. First column is our previous knowledge, what I think I know. The second column is our confirmed knowledge, and that's after we've done some reading and research. We've shown that our PK now becomes a C or a check mark, and I move that Post-it. My misconceptions are what I realized what I thought I know was actually wrong. So I'm going to put a DM for discarded, or I'm going to put an X, and I'm just going to put that Post-it there. And then anything new that I learn as I'm reading and confirming my knowledge, I'm going to put on a post and put NI, meaning I never knew it before. And I'm going to put in that fourth column. And then if I still have any questions, I'm going to put it on a post-it and put it in that fifth column. This is not new. So today you'll be jotting on post-its what you know about a topic and code with a PK, because this is your previous knowledge, what you know without doing any research. And you're going to place it in the first column of your RAN chart. So what do I think I know about this topic? That's what you're jotting on those Post-its. Then while you're reading on your Chromebooks or reading from the books in the back, what do I think about this topic now? What are the pictures and subheadings mostly referring to? Put a check mark on Post-its that you've confirmed your prior knowledge is correct, and move to that second column of our RAN chart. Put an X or DM on discarded misconceptions, meaning you realize that what you thought was actually incorrect, and just leave it in the first column. And then you're just going to continue to read articles about your topic and writing that information on the Post-its and putting it in your RAN chart in your notebook. This is just like yesterday, so I'm expecting a wonderful report. Make me proud.